In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a text box outline in Scribus. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go and create a text box. So I'm going to click on this text frame tool up top, and I'm going to draw it out like this over here, and I'm going to use some sample text over here to fill it up, okay? So as you can see, by default, it has this stroke or the border around it. So to actually remove this outline, you want to click on it so it's selected. Then you want to right click and click on the properties. Here inside properties, there's going to be a bunch of different tabs. You want to click on this one second to last, which says colors. Now it's going to be a bit funny over here, but just follow my steps. You want to go to stroke, not fill, but stroke. And then whenever you do this, you want to go and change it from solid to gradient, okay? Because if I do solid and if there's none, for some reason, this black outline is still over here. So if I go and change the stroke to gradient, again, it's still going to be over here, but now we're going to change this so it's not there anymore. So switch stroke to gradient, and then from here you want to go and click color and then do none where it says black, and then click on this blue one over here and then click on none over here as well. So first click on this one, click none, and then here do none as well, so it's going to be like transparent. Then you can click on the X button, and as you can see, there we go, our text box outline is gone. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.